Hi, I'm Daniel Blake, sports journalist, telling you to like, share, and subscribe to Edivision.
Greetings, sports fans. Welcome back to Edivision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. Believe, no man. Believe. Those that did not believe before must believe now. Come on, people. The football gods are smiling at us. Curacao, Trinidad and Tobago, Bermuda. Easy, though. Come on, man. Teams ranked way below us on the FIFA ranking. Believe no, man. We have to believe when we look at this group and when we look at the other two groups and what could have been. Look what Panama got. El Salvador, Guatemala, Suriname as a seeded team. Tough, right? Another seeded team, Costa Rica, Honduras, Haiti, Nicaragua. A little bit better compared to Panama, but still tough. World Cup. Alright, people, so we can almost touch the World Cup. 6 games away. Pretty much, could be less if we find a way to wrap up the group a little bit early. You know what I mean? But I'm thinking 16 points. I'm thinking, looking at this group, we can get 16 points. You know, drop one game, as in get a draw in one game. Maybe away to Curacao or Trinidad and Tobago. But apart from that, I cannot see us losing or dropping any more points. So I'm going with 16 out of 18 possible points. Yeah, what say you? Drop it in the comment section below. But, you know, the players are happy. Coaching staff, everybody happy with the draw. No complaints at all. And I don't think we can find any excuses if we fail to come out of this group as group winners. You know what I mean? Eva Bala showed me and say, you know, Eddie, cakewalk. So, obviously, it's an easy group for us. And we're just happy. We're happy as fans, and I think we deserve this. It's been way too long, 1998, and I think this is our time now to show the world what we can do. You know, go into the World Cup at the back of, you know, dominating a group, scoring goals, winning games, getting clean sheets. The world can look at us and say, yes, Jamaica. Also, and I have to touch on this, the September window. The first window coming up. And I'm just going to run through the fixtures that we have. So we're playing 6 games, 3 home, 3 away. The September window will begin with away game to Bermuda, followed by a home game with Trinidad and Tobago. So in the September window, Bermuda away, Trinidad at home. October window, Curacao away, Bermuda at home. November window, Trinidad and Tobago away, and we close off with Curacao at home. So decent set of fixtures in terms of where they land to end in the campaign at home, which is always good in case we need a result. Don't want it to go down to the last day, but in case we need a result, we're at home, and with the crowd, we should get it over the line. Last time in 1998, we needed a result. We were at home against Mexico, and we got the draw. So, also importantly, we start with Bermuda. This is an opportunity for us to get as much goals as possible, rack up the goal difference, because in that same window, Trinidad will play Curacao. So while we're playing Bermuda, Trinidad up against Curacao, so one of those teams will drop points, if not two. We're hoping for a draw in that one. So after the first game, we could be looking at the lead right away. We could top the zone after the first game. Again, goal difference will be very important. We'll expect Trinidad and also Curacao to beat up Bermuda when they face them. Even though Bermuda is improving, we expect them to be the beating stick of this group. So that's the fixtures. So again, going back to the players, people, I know a person joined for this, but players will be licking their lips when they see the lineup as in the group. Potential players to come in will be extremely happy. Extremely happy. You know, we're looking at, you know, the names already, people. Those persons will be looking at, say, hey, this is a real opportunity right now based on the teams that we're going to play. This is more certain. No if, no buts, no maybe. Right? So players that are close enough, people. I heard that Rico Henry was in the country the other day finalizing his paperwork. You know, so I'm just going to give you a few names. You know, Rico Henry and also Max Aarons. So fullback situation, you know, we'll get an upgrade, give them an update, right? We know Lewis Baker working on his thing. There are other midfielders, I won't give any names. Give you a striker. Striker, Keenan Davis, close. And you know Mason Greenwood. We know that already. So I'm thinking Mason Greenwood for September window. So it will be a September to remember. Alright. Players are ready and them have an easy running. The new players could ask for anything more. You come in, you straight up, you play against Bermuda. You play Trinidad, you play Curacao. Good way to really get you going into CONCACAF football. Not so hard, you know, in terms of the difficulty levels. Not so hard, easy way to, you know, to gel, to integrate in this team. Integrate yourself with a few assists, a few goals. You know what I mean? These are good games. And as I said earlier, no excuses whatsoever. The team that we have should be walking this group. Right? And I know over the past we have struggled against teams that we should beat. But in this case, I see no hurdles. I see no hiccups. Come out to the national stadium and support. You know, it should be a party atmosphere with every goal, every assist, one step closer to the World Cup. Alright, people, so believe. The players believe, we should all believe. Alright, and look out for September. September to remember, people. Remember, I tell you this. Alright. So, drop your comments, let me know your thoughts on the group. You know, where will we finish in this group and how many points? Is there any possible hurdle? Let me also know in the comment section below. I'm Eddie Guna. Thanks for watching. Always remember to like, share and subscribe.
Watching Eddie Vision TV, like, share and subscribe.